Bill from Flatbroke Garage. Look, I'm here, my favorite yard. Isn't this great? I got a friend. This is my friend Jeff.
Hey guys, hey YouTube, glad to be here.
He
Love what Bill's doing. Can't believe he's stringing this thing back, or trying to, but you saw what he did with the Falcarino, so anything's possible.
It is. If it wasn't for him, the whole Falcarino thing wouldn't have come together. So he's a big part of Falcarino. Why we're here doing this is Jeff's got some info for you guys. Everybody asks, hey, are those cars for sale, or what's going on there, or can I see this car? Here's your guy. I'm going to let Jeff explain to you how you guys could be part of this world here. So take it, Jeff.
It's a pretty awesome world to be part of, and I'm so glad Flatbroke Garage has brought this out to the YouTube universe. As Bill said, everything here is for sale. There's a lot. There's more than we've ever seen, and we want to find you homes for as much of it as we can. So you can get in touch with me. My info is below at jeff@thecommongear.com. That's my company. We're a digital records company for classic cars and trucks, but we also help find homes for deserving vehicles like many of the vehicles on this property. And you can follow me on Instagram, same name, The Common Gear, a couple of underscores in there, where I post up regularly vehicles we uncover on a daily basis down here. This is something like my 50th trip to this property. I just found 5 more trucks I've never seen before.
There's stuff buried. We both have been through here several times, and we look. We do look.
All the time.
And every time I come here, and I'm sure same with you, there's something new, and it's like cool. So, you know.
And eminently savable.
Yeah.
If you've got the know-how and the tools and some money in your pocket that just burned a hole that you can't quick patch fast enough, which we all know that feeling.
They are projects, though. I mean, you know, she is not showroom condition, but you know, that's part of it, dude. You're getting something at a reasonable price, but you know, let's face it, you're gonna earn it. So, you know. And
places like this, we know, are disappearing by the day.
Yeah,
and this is one of those rare times you can actually buy a vehicle from the salvage yard, a salvage yard that hasn't been touched in many ways. And it's not really a salvage yard, it's one man's collection, but we don't want any part of that history watching these cars go away and fade into the dirt. So get in touch, we'll make it happen. You can join Bill here on his journey.
Yeah. And you can go back and see some of the other videos of the yard I've posted. There's a link, you know, I'll put it down below, or just check my channel. There's a link of a lot of the cars in the yard. You guys can go through. Some have sold, but there's still some available, and there's a lot that we haven't even posted or seen yet.
We just found a 54 Chevy pickup.
Yeah.
Shockingly rust-free.
Yeah.
That was buried under years of motors and lawn tractor parts and motorcycles. Just pulled it out, put on new tires. It's a project. Could be a runner in short order.
Yeah, yeah. And I just found a 54 Ford 2-door.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, we just found a 54 Ford 2-door. That looks pretty complete. I mean,
under our noses.
Yeah, it's just everything's so viney and covered here, man. It's unbelievable. And then when all the stuff dies and the snakes go away, you know, it's safe to come out here.
Yeah, bring your boots.
Yeah, bring the boots. Gloves. I recommend gloves would be great.
And if you got any anti-chigger spray, that might be helpful to have in your back pocket too. Not saying I know. And if you haven't followed the Falcarino story, do yourself a favor and see what's possible here, because that's living proof that there are vehicles here that really can come back to life. So
yeah, it isn't staged by any means. No, this is not staged. No. We're not like, trust me guys, I got 3,000 subscribers. I'm totally blessed. I appreciate it, but I'm not doing this for like money and fame and stuff. I am. You are. Yeah, but I'm just doing it because I'm a retired guy that likes messing with stuff. But I mean, you know, it's legit, and the problems are real, and you know, there's a lot of stuff that has gone wrong, and
will continue to.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
There's also a lot of reward knowing you saved a car.
True.
That wasn't past its expiration.
That's right, and it's a feel-good thing. It's a whole feel-good. Look, he saved a car. You know, so just give it a shot, guys. You know, if you're interested, don't be afraid to contact him or me.
Either way.
I'll put my email down below. I'm flatbrokegaragetn@gmail. And again, you are
Jeff@thecommongear.com, and The Common Gear on Instagram. Either way works.
Yeah, and I'm also Flat Broke Garage, Facebook, Instagram, whatever. You know, all those
things will be
the things in
circulating
the
around.
weird with the things in it. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. We're gonna get this thing running, driving-ish, driving home.
Listen, running is
good. Running is good. Driving would be a miracle, but you know. So yeah, follow along. We got another one. Let's see what happens. Thanks for watching, guys.